Tech Tips brought to you by AAG IT. Today we're going to be looking at the designer element in PowerPoint. When you open PowerPoint, you are obviously presented with previous documents that you've just opened, or you're presented with new document and you have plenty of themes to choose from. If you're looking for more themes, you can click more themes and this will take you down to the new element on the left hand side. Again, there is a search bar for you to search for exactly what theme you're looking for, depending on what particular PowerPoint presentation you are looking to present. So if we just open up one like this, we can just create from the scientific findings templates, and it just gives us this really futuristic, really engaging PowerPoint with plenty of design elements already in it, and you can just change the data of the graph, you can change the text that's there, and you can obviously play around with all your settings as usual. If you want to use the designer element in a current presentation that you may have already got, you can also use this. So if we open up, say, the welcome pack that we have here for AAG customers and clients, we have the designer tab in the top kind of navigation panel that we have, and with this you can click on various elements. So we can click on this little bit of text, we can click the designer tab, and this will come up with a few different ways that you could utilize and change. You can go through various tabs and obviously look at options to change the designer and the design of those tabs as well, and of those different slides. That's all from this week's Tech Tips. Thanks for watching and see you next week.